Unfortunately, more and more parrots and animals in general are losing their homes due to the economy. Some are even abandoned or neglected, and for some, it may be too late. It's important to say something if you see something. Rickie's Parrot Rescue is here to help. We don't judge. We offer support. Doing what's right isn't always easy. When rescues come in, they get the best care possible until their new family is found. They get an amazing diet, medical when needed, lots of toys, and plenty of love. We screen our possible adopters carefully in order to ensure that it's a proper match, not only for your baby, but for the family taking him or her in. So please don't wait until it's too late. We are here to help you as well as your parrot. Thank you for the opportunity to share about Rickie's Parrot Rescue and the importance of caring for our feathered friends. Remember, together we can make a difference in the lives of these beautiful creatures. Every little act of kindness counts in preserving the well-being of animals around us.